Hey guys, my name is Thiru and today I'll be teaching Java. And before we get down into the basics of Java, let's dig into the history. So, more than 3 billion devices run Java. Java can be used to create platform-independent applications. And what this means is that Java can be easily run on Linux, Windows, macOS, and more. Originally, Java was released by Sun Microsystems. Now, Java is the second most popular language. Java is an object-oriented language, OOP in other words. And what an object-oriented programming language is basically that this allows programmers to create modules that they can use over and over again for a variety of programs. And now it's owned by Oracle. So now I'll be teaching the anatomy of a Java program.
Okay, so to get to repl.it, we will type repl.it. And to make an account, we'll go into the login and sign up section and press sign up. To make things easier, we're just going to use our Google account to sign up. And when we click that, it'll be asked which account you want to use, and we'll be directed to an intro page. First, we will be asked to set our username. We're just going to call it AT Engineering. And you should also put your email. And we're going to put what skill. You have just poking around, brand new, some experience, and very experienced. And we are interested in learning and teaching and sharing our projects with the community. So that is the what we're going to tap and put. So what language we're interested in? Well, right now we're doing Java, but later we'll continue with Python and some JavaScript. Now we can start coding. And if your email isn't already verified, you can go up and press the verify button to verify it.
Hey, so here we are at the repl.it page. So repl.it is an IDE, and what that stands for is Integrated Development Environment. If you know what a code editor is, well, an IDE is basically a code editor on steroids. But if you don't know what a code editor is, IDE is a place where you can type up your code and run it. So once we're at this page, we can hit this plus sign and select Java. And we will be naming our REPL our first program. Okay, so now it will redirect us to a REPL. So when you first come onto this page, your page will look slightly different in the sense that it'll look like this. I am not particularly fond of this color scheme, so I changed it to dark. You guys can keep it at whatever theme you want. You guys can customize it. Okay, so here we are. So what this first line is the class declaration. And main here is our controlling class. And what a class is that you can think of it as a blueprint. It defines what type of data and what actions will be associated with the objects of that class. And now you may be wondering, what are objects? Well, as we go, I'll explain it. But at the moment, you can think of objects of data and instructions to perform those actions. So next comes our second line here, which is the main method. So a method is just statements that perform a single defined task. So you could think of it as just there for now. I will explain it as we further progress in this course, but for now you could just think of it as it's there because it's there. And next is our line 3. And what this is a print statement. So statements are basically a set of instructions. So this statement prints out hello world onto our console. So This is the basic anatomy of a Java program.